Sirikanda County ma Kisumu kwa mar mondo mi ong'i manoendo kaka jogo eko mantiere koda ka ng'ol mopogore opogore inyalo kony bang' ka koro oseyangore ni gintiere kod mago eko okenge mag achiedhnade malich ahinya ma gintiere godo. Maendi mondo giyudo nyaka tiegruok mago eko kuonde ma ji tiegre mago eko mag Vocational Training Institutes. Kwayo ma kamaendi ogol kod Mikael Lydia Chege ma bende wuok e riwruok manoendo mok mar piny owacho mong'ere kaka Pal Africa e kinde ma bende koro ne gichiwo lupot e wi achiedhnade mamono jogo modak kod ng'ol yudo tiegruok mowinjore manyalo konyogi e yudo tije kata ndikore gin giwegi. Bende okwayo piny owacho ma pacho kaendi mondo mi oket mwandu moromo ne tiegruok mar jogo eko modak kod ng'ol, kendo ochiwo ong'ala mambele ne jogo eko eka mondo koro wachno endo ong'i achiel kachiel e yorendo mani kare. Komachielo bende en ni e gwenge ma Kisumu kawuono ne omed go oporo ne jogo mantiere koda ka ng'ol ka koro migosi Humphrey Wandeo ne owacho ni ber ma mondo mi koro jogo eko omi mago magin tiegruok mowinjore e kindego eko mowinjore ka koro ong'i nonro margi e kinde machon kapok ng'ol endo otegno kuomgi mondo mi okonygi e yore mag tiegruok.
So we were appealing to the county government of Kisumu that they look into the inclusion barriers that exist within the VTIs in Kisumu so that we could have more and more youth going for training in these VTIs. And you saw the examples that we were given from Nyangoma TTI and from St. Angela's, where they say it is working. These young persons with a disability are actually gaining skills and competencies, and that helped us to address the last issue we were looking into, that is employability. And from the report, we saw that less than 1% of persons with disability have gained formal employment, but we realized there's a lot of untapped field in what we call informal sector and also the cottage industries. And through this dialogue, we are also hoping that we could appeal to not only the county government of Kisumu, but all the 47 counties so that they address education and training and allocate more resources for persons with disability, and most likely even to the 5th president of this republic to have more resources for persons with disability. And matters to do with the disability are not discussed as the last agenda. If possible, could we address it as a first agenda so that we have a human rights approach to matters to do with the disability?
Birth certificates, these certificates are a right to a child. The only issue that we have is that most parents do not find it necessary to go look for these certificates, which are available from at the assistant chief's level. Once a child is born, then the chiefs would give notification, and that is enough for the parents of each of these children to get birth certificate. However, you find that this does not take place because some of the parents normally find some of these children, or they refer to them as a curse, and that sometimes make them even to abandon these children in various points. Like, for example, in Kisumu here, we have over 30 children that were abandoned, which we are trying to trace their parents, and we had to find a way of getting for them birth certificates. That is a challenge because many parents sometimes do not understand and realize that these are also human